Grab a roll of toilet paper and cut off a piece, about 60 centimeters long. Next, fold the paper in half, just like this. Now, take a glass container and pour in 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. Then, add a little squeeze of toothpaste and mix it all together until you have a smooth, thick paste. Now, grab your folded toilet paper and start rolling it up tightly. You're making a wick here. Once you've got it all rolled up, take the cinnamon paste and generously cover the whole thing, making sure it's completely soaked. This is the part where you see the paste working its wonders. Next up, grab a glass cup and throw in a few bay leaves. You'll love the smell that's about to fill the room. Now, take your cinnamon-soaked wick and place it on top of the bay leaves. We all know how annoying it can be when mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs invade our space, right? This is a super effective and natural way to keep away mosquitoes, wasps, and even cockroaches. This candle not only gets rid of bugs, but it also gives your room a cozy, fresh cinnamon scent.